Hey everybody, today we're looking at something that broke right after we got the camper. This is a sound bar. It might be notorious for breaking. I think a lot of people complain about it. And we've also lost this little outlet right here. And we never really paid attention to it because it didn't bother us, but since we have some time, we thought we'd look at it today. But the most important thing about this whole thing is we got to clean behind it because it's ugly. I don't know what I'm doing, and this is probably a waste of time. Oh my god, I think we figured it out.
Honor's eating fur. Or
Stop
dust.
eating that. Get it out of your mouth. There's this little tiny case that I've completely lost at this point. But it had this little fuse in it. And it's blowed. So, maybe this is it. We'll let you know. There's no way it's going to pick that up.
Wait, it is. It's like ripped in half. The little wire.
Good job, Honor. Good job.
Okay.
This is the little case it was in. And it was covering up these two little fuse ends. And if you put them together, which I don't know if this is going to break something or not, but if you look at the front of it, power comes right back on. Well, I didn't leave it on. I don't want to jack it all up. But yeah, so I think it was just a fuse. So if you're complaining and you never took it out, do that.
Do you think that that has to do with our USB ports?
We could test that if you want to plug something in real quick. You got me?
Yeah.
Again, I don't know if this is bad, so don't do what I'm doing, but we just want to see if that runs power back up there. So look at the phone.
No, it's not doing anything.
Oh well.
Well, at least we might have a little radio.
Radio's back, possibly. Okay, so we couldn't find the right size little fuse, so we went up to like 15 instead of a 10. I think this is going to work. I hope it's not a big issue. If my house is going to burn down, let me know. So let's see if it fits right in. Slip it back together. And then you get this little thing and figure out how it fits in there. You might not like the size. Wow, perfect, almost. There you go. And let's see if it works.
I need to get back in there and dust.
That's fine. We'll see if it turns on first. There's that. You see the color.
I smell fire.
Don't say that. Is there sound? Hey!
We fixed it!
Back.
The whole camper shaking.
Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. And change your fuse if it's broken. And if that's not it, that sucks. I'm sorry. Have a great day.